Hey guys, welcome to quick Minecraft tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to breaking glass. Glitch breaking grass with water buckets. Um, don't want that stuff. Um, there's been a problem with a lot of people saying it's hard to break so much grass. Like it's just there's grass everywhere and I can't break it. So I've invented this glitch so you can break grass super easy. Only thing you need is a water bucket, and for our demonstration, I'll use bone meal. Um, so let's go to let's make our game mode survival. Let's go over to some water, or sorry, grass. Like I said, this won't work unless you like and comment on this video, because I've developed it so it doesn't work. Alright, look at all this grass. It's so hard to individually like break it all. So for this demonstration, let me just create more grass. Alright, so you have so much grass here and you don't want to break it all or break something. Only thing you have to do, and this will only work if you like and comment on this video. And if you like these tutorials, uh, don't don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe. That's how I know that people like these videos. So you're in a grassy area, there's grass everywhere. What do? You take a bucket, and if you don't know how to make a bucket, you put iron ingots in a V formation on the crafting table. Then you right click right here, and it floods your environment, so you don't have to break anything except for when it falls off the edge, of course. See how it just spread it out? And now look at all these broken things. Only thing you have to do is go and collect all the bits. Look at all this. All because, and I didn't hit anything. Isn't that great? So let me just show you one more time. Oh my god, there's so much grass everywhere. Oh, I hate all this grass. This glitch only works if you like and comment on this video. Because when you like and comment on the video, the algorithm picks it up with the analytics and it shows how cool everyone is. And your friends will think you're really cool too because they don't know that this glitch exists. And if you comment and like this video, then it's enabled for you, and then your Minecraft account is attached, and then it can distribute it. All right. The only thing you gotta do is place it down, and it'll break all of it. Look at that, so quick. I get all the seeds. Look at that, 11 seeds. I didn't have to break a block. I'm only placing them. Look at this. See, water, it destroys everything. Let's go to a place where there's more grass, so I can demonstrate it to you how cool it is. But remember, in order for this to work, you have to like and comment on this video. The algorithm is set up so that people can see it when you like and comment on the video. So over here looks a little bit more flat, and we're gonna see how cool you are when your friends see it too. Oh, hello, turtles. Oh no, see how these hurt you? Look at that, didn't even have to break it with my hand. Look at all this grass. I don't know what to do with it. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Look at that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, in order for this glitch to work, you need to like and comment on this video. And that's how you know the algorithm will pick up your username and then it'll attach to your account. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial on how to glitch your Minecraft for free with no hacks. Remember to like and comment on this video. Alright, goodbye.